Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics, and today we've got two wheels. And what we've got here is a Honda CB50J. I think it's a 1978. I'm not quite sure, we'll have to look at the paperwork. A 50cc, 16-year-old sports moped. Now these bikes were out roughly the same time as the Fizzies, Honda SS50s, etc, etc. And there was a gang of us who used to drive these around, and one of my friends in particular, a good friend of mine, had one of these, and he's going to hate us for saying it, but it was definitely the slowest of the bunch. You couldn't do a lot with these bikes. The SS50s, you could put a bigger cylinder on, build a bigger barrel, bigger piston. You couldn't do much with these. I think you would get, what, 35 flat out over the tank. But these were sold as a restricted moped. But they had all the features of a big bike. Twin clocks, so they had a rev counter, indicators, 2-4 seat with a little toolbox at the back. So basically they look just exactly like a big sports bike in miniature. But I'm really pleased I've got this one. I'm not sure whether I'm selling it because I haven't got one of these in my little collection. I've got AP50s, Honda SS50s, Gorellis. I looked a long time, so I might keep this one. It's a bit of a rarity. Cable operated disc brake, exactly like what the Honda SS50s are on the 5-speed, 5-speed gearbox. So there you are, have a look round it. We haven't cleaned it, we haven't polished it, we've just picked it up, and last time I drove one of these I would have been 40 years younger and about 12 stone lighter. So I'll fire it up, start it up and see how we go. So there you have it, the Honda CB50. If you like this video, just follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Please click the like button and we'll do some more videos for you. But boy, that takes me back in time. Woohoo! Honda CB50. Bye bye now.